morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Junior KG, Subject English. Today we will do the revision of cursive letters. आज हम क्या करेंगे? Cursive letter alphabets का revision करेंगे. Now take out your pencil and eraser and hold your pencil like this. आपको pencil hold कैसे करनी है children? Like this. Now tell me the first letter of alphabet. अल्फ़ाबेट का फर्स्ट लेटर क्या होता है चिल्ड्रन? वेरी गुड, ए. ए फॉर एप्पल. ए फॉर एप्पल. See here and draw with me the slanting line from blue line to the red line, one more slanting line and a loop between these two lines. A for apple. The spelling of apple is APPLE, apple. Now the next letter is B. See here, slanting line, one more slanting line, semicircle, loop, one more semicircle and stop here. B. B for bowl. The spelling of bowl is BALL, bowl. Speak with me, BALL, bowl. Now the next letter is C. See here, curve, semicircle and stop here. C for cat. The spelling of cat is CAT, cat. Speak with me, CAT, cat. Now the next letter is D. D for duck. See here, put your pencil on the red line, draw a slanting line, loop, semicircle and stop here. D for duck. The spelling of duck is DUCK, duck. Now the next letter is E. E for elephant. See here, curve, semicircle, one more semicircle and stop here. E. E for elephant. Speak with me. The spelling of elephant is ELEPHANT, elephant. Now the next letter is F. F for fish. See here, curve line, slanting line, curve, sleeping line. F for fish. The spelling of fish is FISH, fish. Now the next letter is G. Curve, semicircle, slanting line, curve line. G for grapes. The spelling of grapes is GRAPES, grapes. Now the next letter is H. H for house. The spelling of house, HOUSE, house. Now tell me the next letter. I. Very good. I for igloo. See here, curve, slanting line, curve. I for igloo. The spelling of igloo is IGLOO, igloo. Now the next letter is J. Curve, slanting line, curve line. J for joker. Speak with me. The spelling of joker is JOKER, joker. JOKER, joker. Now the next letter, J for joker के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है चिल्ड्रन? K. Curve, slanting line, curve line, loop, curve line. K for kite. The spelling of kite is KITE, kite. Speak with me, KITE, kite. Now again, speak with me, KITE, kite. The next letter is L. K for kite के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? L. L for lion. See here, draw a curve line, loop, slanting line, again loop, curve line. L for lion. The spelling of lion is LION, lion. LION, lion. Now tell me the next letter. M. Very good. M for monkey. M for monkey. The spelling of monkey is MONKEY, monkey. Now tell me the next letter. Very good. M for monkey के बाद क्या आता है? N. N for nest. See here, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. N for nest, N-E-S-T, nest. Now tell me the next letter. Nest. N for nest के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? O. O for owl. See here, semicircle. One more semicircle. Stop here. O for owl. The spelling of owl is O-W-L, owl. Now tell me the next letter. O for owl के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है children? P. P for peacock. Slanting line. One more slanting line. Semicircle and stop here. P for peacock. Now tell me the next letter. Q. Q for queen. Very good. See here, curve line, loop, curve line. Q for queen. Speak with me. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. The spelling of queen is Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Now tell me the next letter. Q for queen के बाद next letter कौन सा आता है children? R. R for rabbit. See here, slanting line, semicircle, loop, curve line. R for rabbit. Very good. R for rabbit की spelling क्या होती है children? R-A-B-B-I-T. rabbit. R for rabbit. R for rabbit के बाद कौन सा letter आता है children? What is the next letter? S. S for seller. Slanting line, loop, semicircle, curve. S for seller. The spelling of seller is S-A-I-L-O-R. Seller. Now tell me the next letter. Very good. T. Curve line, slanting line, curve line. T. T for tap. T for tap. T-A-P, tap. Now the next letter. U. T for tap के बाद कौन सा letter आता है children? U. U for umbrella. Curve, slanting line, curve, standing line, curve. U for umbrella. Now the spelling of umbrella is U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Now the next letter. U for umbrella के बाद कौन सा letter आता है children? V. V for van. V for van. The spelling of van is V-A-N, van. Now the next letter is W. V for van के बाद कौन सा letter आता है children? W. W for watch. See here, curve, slanting line, again curve, slanting line and a loop. W for watch. The spelling of watch is W-A-T-C-H, watch. Again speak with me. W-A-T-C-H, watch. Now come on the next. W for watch के बाद कौन सा letter आता है? X. Very good. X for Xmas tree. Draw a semicircle. One more semicircle. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Speak with me the spelling of Xmas tree. X-M-A-S-T-R-E-E. Xmas tree. Now the next letter. X for Xmas tree के बाद कौन सा letter आता है? Tell me the next letter. Very good. Y. Y for yacht. See here. Curve. One more curve. Slanting line. Curve line. Very good. Y for yacht. Now the spelling of yacht is Y-A-C-H-T. Yacht. Again speak with me. Y-A-C-H-T. Yacht. Now Y for yacht के बाद कौन सा letter आता है children? Z. Very good. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Speak with me. Z for zebra. Now see here. This is the last letter of alphabet. Semicircle, slanting line, curved line. Very good. One more time. Semicircle, slanting line, curved line. Z for zebra. Again speak with me. Z for zebra. Slanting line, curved line. Z for zebra. Now speak with me the spelling of zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Semicircle, slanting line, curved line. Semicircle, slanting line, curved line. Z for zebra. Again speak with me. Z for zebra. Now in your homework what you have to do? You have to practice the cursive letter alphabets. Then click a picture of it and send it to the school WhatsApp number. आपको क्या करना है children? कर्सिव लेटर अल्फ़ाबेट्स की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. Then पिक क्लिक करके स्कूल WhatsApp नंबर पर सेंड करना है. Till then, take care and keep studying.